Adagiorum Maxime Vulgarium Thesaurus, Episode 16. This one is entitled Praemia Servordrum, the rewards or the pay of one's servants. It's number 28 in Laura Gibbs' collection Brevissima, and it's taken from Andreas Gartner, the Proverbialia Dicteria, proverbial statements, from 1578. This one is not an elegiac couplet, but it is 2 lines of hexameter. 2 lines of dactylic hexameter. So it would go like this. Si tibi servirdret aliquis sua praemia tecum. Ne retine rediu cur res si diligis aequum. The scansion looks like this. Si tibi, so there's a dactyl. Servia, another dactyl. Rdrit, ali, a 3rd dactyl. Quis sua, a 4th dactyl. Praemia tecum, with the anceps. And here is the bucolic diaresis, as it's called, which means a diaresis after the 4th foot. The second line, ne rete, so dactyl, ne redi, dactyl, u cu, spondy, res si, spondy, di ligus, dactyl, aequum. Now the translation. If anyone serves you, his rewards with yourself, with you, ne curdres, do not be concerned to keep them, that is, his rewards, for a long time, if you cherish what is right or just, aequum. We might say more idiomatically, if anyone offers you a good service, don't be eager to keep his pay with you for too long, that is, if you care about what is right. These 2 lines have several different members. The main verb is cures. So ne cures, which is a negative usive, or a prohibitive subjunctive, don't do this. Ne cures, don't be thinking about how, and then it's patterning with retinere, which is a 2nd conjugation infinitive. The object of retinere is praemia, in the neuter, plural, and accusative, as modified by sua. So don't think how you may keep with yourself, tecum, how you may keep for too long, diu, his own rewards or his prizes, sua praemia. Then we have 2 si clauses, si tibi servirit aliquis and si diligis aequum. In the first one, we have servirit. Now servirit is a future perfect. So this is going to be a 3rd singular, future perfect, indicative, and active. It's from the 4th conjugation verb servio, servire, like so. If anyone shall have served you. The verb servire always goes with a dative case, and so tibi is masculine singular and dative. And of course the subject here is aliquis, in the masculine singular and nominative. If anyone shall have served you. And then the last part of this 2-line couplet is si diligis aequum, if you care for, if you treasure, aequum, righteousness or justice. This is neuter singular and accusative. It's the object of diligis, which is 3rd conjugation, 2nd person singular. Diligo, like so, diligere, and this is being used as a substantive, that is an adjective used as a noun. So in this conditional, we have 2 protases, that is 2 if clauses. We have si through aliquis is the first if clause, if anyone shall have served you, and the 2nd protasis is si through aequum, if you care about what is right. Then the apodosis, the then clause, is simply ne cures, don't be concerned to keep with you, retinere tecum, for too long, that guy's rewards, sua praemia.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.